Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Homescreen is not loading. Let's begin. So here we are in roblox.com and the solution is very simple for this one. All you have to do is go to the settings of your browser. So in my case, I'm using Opera GX. So I'll just go here in the settings button right here. But if you're using Chrome, then it's basically the same goal, but you have to do it differently. So you can just go right here, the three dots, and you want to go into your settings, and from when you get into settings, you want to go here into search settings and type in DNS. So this step works for any browser. You just have to search for DNS in your browser, and you want to enable use DNS, or in Chrome I think it's called use secure DNS or something like that. And once you enable it, you should have choices like this. So when you have choices like this, it means you enabled the right option. So once you do that, you're gonna go here for Google Public DNS. You wanna enable this one, and you should be able to solve your problem. And once you have enabled this, you wanna close this, and from here you wanna go and restart your Roblox, and there you go. It should be loading right now, and the problem has been solved. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.